We are home. I'm going to do let's do a grocery haul, guys. So we went to Asian store today. May mga binibili ako, guys, from the store. And then we also stopped by HEB to buy few stuffs. Kasi may pinipick up kami na something. But anyway, I'll be showing you guys kung ano yung bibili namin sa first. Ito Asian store, grocery. Kasi ang tagal ko nung nagpunta doon. It's been a long time since the last time I was there in Asian store. And let's do this. Alright. I got Sky Flakes. I always have something to bite with my coffee, guys. So I got this one. Last time they don't have this on stock, so this time they have, so I grabbed one. And then also our favorite, ito yung panghimagas ng lahat, favorite candy, Kopiko. And we also got some snacks, sweet corn. We got Pulveron. I think this one is from the Philippines. No, it's not. Maybe. I'm not sure. Basta Pulveron. Sa Pilipinas, masarap yan, guys. Bata ako, kinakain namin yan. Oishi. Ito yung regular na Oishi. And this one, I got the spicy Oishi. Like here nung bata kami, we have this Oishi in a very small packet. So meron yung tagpiso pa noong bata ako, guys, but I don't think they still have that one. Wala na yun. I think they already like get rid of it and then replace it with bigger bags. So pancit canton, kasi di ko requested, sabi niya gusto niya ng pancit canton. And then this one is Lucky Me instant noodles. I also got Hoda. I also got Bulalo. And I got here mga pan pang ano sa aking kape.